What's up, everybody? Welcome to Maths with Castin. I am Castin Mapala right here at Maths with Castin. Today, let's have a look at grade 10 compound interest example on a chapter of financial growth. All right. Okay, please make sure that you subscribe on this channel, and it will really assist me to grow on YouTube and also assist me to keep on making content like this one. And I would know that it's reaching somebody out there who really needs it. If you've already done grade 10 and you know somebody who really needs a video like this one, please share it with them and make sure that this video gets to them so that they can also get help as much as you have done very well in grade 10 as well. So now today's example, it's saying that Tabo has 35,000 to save for a family holiday in 5 years. He invests the money at 9.5 per annum compounded annually. Then we need to calculate the following. We need to calculate the amount of money that he will have in 5 years' time, the total interest earned, and also the interest that Tabo earned each year. All right, so let's go ahead and deal with this one. A, what did I say now? They say we must deal with A. Said we need to calculate the amount that Tabo will have in 5 years' time. All right. So they said compound. So therefore, this is the formula that we're going to use. Please, this formula is on your formula sheet, guys, for compound interest. If you are getting lost, please make sure that you go and watch the lesson on financial growth grade 10 so that you are able to follow. I think I really did a good job there in explaining this concept. So right here we are just applying the concept that we have learned on the previous videos as well. All right, okay. So now the principal amount, which is the starting amount of this investment, is 35,000, and then the number of years is 5 years, and therefore the interest rate in this case it's given by 9.5, but as you know, we must divide it by 100. That will therefore give us 0.095. Okay, great stuff. So now we need to come here and we need to calculate this. All right, okay. So now we're going to substitute everything into our formula here. We need to substitute everything in our formula there. So that is going to be 35,000 plus, it's a plus there, guys. I made a mistake. I wrote a 4. Okay, it's going to be plus interest rate of 0.095 compounded for 5 years. Okay, so let's go ahead, guys, and put this in our calculator just to make sure that what you get. I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds to also put this thing in your calculator, then we can compare if we get the same answer as well. All right, so if you don't get the same answer as mine, please double check or leave your comment section below. Maybe I'm the one who made a mistake. So our final amount will be 55,098. Normally on your question paper they will say leave into 2 decimal place, okay, which is what we're gonna do there. All right, and that's how you deal with A. And then B, it says that calculate the total interest earned. Okay, like we did on simple interest on the video before this one, said simple interest earned is going to be equals to final amount minus principal amount, which is going to be, what is the final amount here? It's 55,098.36, okay, minus 35,000, which is the starting amount. So, okay, so the total interest over end over the years in this account will therefore be, I'm getting 20,000 098 comma 36. Right, so that is the total interest earned over the years on top of the principal amount or the starting amount. Okay, so C would therefore be C is going to be, now they said, what are they asking? The interest that Tabo received each year. Okay, interest that Tabo received each year, we said yearly interest, and will have to be the total interest, and the total interest that was earned over number of years. Okay, over number of years of that investment. Okay, so in this case we've got 20,098.36, and then the money was invested for how many years? It was invested for 5 years. So therefore the yearly total interest and that Tabo is getting each year is just going to be that 20,000 divided by 5, which is gives us an amount of, if you got this, well done guys, is 4,019, 67. All right, great stuff. And that's how you would deal with a question like this one if it is requiring you to calculate something concerning the compound formula. Please make sure that you pay attention guys, and also you follow through with this video. If you skip, you won't be able to understand. So I will see you on the next upload, where we will be dealing with interest, how to calculate. I will be dealing with how to calculate the interest if you are given the final amount and the principal amount. I am Gaston Mapala. It's always really nice to be doing these questions with you guys, and I will see you on the next upload.